What's up, everyone? Welcome to this ProACTive tutoring lesson. And today we are going to finish up with our lesson on ratios and proportions by looking at two last examples. So let's get started. Here's our first example of the day. So as usual, pause the video, try it on your own, and then continue when you are ready. Okay, so we are given that Jerome ate 1/2 of the sandwich, Kevin ate 1/3, and Seth, we know, ate the rest. We'll leave it as question mark for now. So first, we see this 1/2 and 1/3, and we can't really accurately compare them without a common denominator. So first, we should rewrite these ratios so that they have the same common denominator. We can rewrite 1/2 as 3/6, and we can rewrite 1/3 as 2/6. So if Jerome ate 3/6 and Kevin ate 2/6, then the remaining is just 1/6, right? So that means that Seth ate 1/6 of the sandwich. So now that we have our ratios for each person, we can find the ratio of their shares to each other. So the ratio of Jerome's share to Kevin's share to Seth's share is 3/6 to 2/6 to 1/6, and this is just equivalent to a 3:2:1 ratio. So our answer is choice D. Let's take a look at one last example. So these types of questions are very commonly seen on both the SAT and ACT. So it is very important that we learn the proper way to answer these questions. All right, so we know the length of the shorter piece to the length of the longer piece is 2 to 3. So short to long is 2 to 3. And 2 to 3, a ratio of 2 to 3 is equivalent to a ratio of 2x to 3x, right? If we multiply both sides of the ratio by the same number, then they will just be an equivalent form of that same ratio. So now what can we do from here? Well, we were given one other piece of information, that the board is 30 feet long, right? And we know that the length of the short piece plus the length of the longer piece is 30 feet. And short here, in this case, for our ratio, short corresponds to 2x and long corresponds to 3x. So by solving this equation for x, we get that x is equal to 6. So now what we can do from here is we can use this in our ratio right here. So we plug in 6 for x, now that we've solved for it. 2 times 6 to 3 times 6 get us 12 to 18. So this means that the length of the shorter piece is 12 feet and the length of the longer piece is 18 feet. So therefore, the length of the shorter piece would be choice H, 12 feet. And this is our answer.